Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, hope you are doing well. Today's verse of the day comes from Surah Al-Ahzab, verse 70. Allah mentions, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanuttaqullah wa qulu qawlan sadida. O you who believe, fear Allah and speak words that are straight and correct. Why this matter to us today, my brothers and sisters? Before even we talk about speech, Allah mentioned once again, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu. O the believers, fear Allah. Allah addresses the believer particularly, categorically, and immediately after mention, ittaqullah. Fear Allah. وَقُولُوا قَوْلًا سَدِيدًا, and say something which is straightforward. You know, the interesting thing is that Allah has connected taqwa with the use of tongue. First Allah mentioned fear Allah, and then immediately Allah mentioned correct your speech. And from this, my brothers and sisters, we learn an important lesson that if you truly fear Allah, then you have to correct your speech. You have to choose your words wisely, my brothers and sisters. You know, the society we are living in, or the era we are living in, don't we hurt each other with our words? Don't we make false promises? Don't we backbite? Don't we gossip, you know? All these things are related to our tongue. And hence the reason it is said that most of the sins that human beings commit are related to the tongue. We lie, we make false promises, we backbite, we gossip, you know, we hurt people's feelings, we break people's heart. All these things are related to the tongue. And hence the reason, my brothers and sisters, Allah Almighty addresses the believer first and mention ittaqullah wa qulu qawlan sadida. And immediately after Allah mentioned correct your speech. If you truly fear Allah, if you really have fear of Allah Almighty, you know, you have to choose your words correctly. And you know, the word sadida is a very important word. Basically, sadid means clear speech, no confusion in it, my brothers and sisters, or no dishonesty in it. This is what the basically sadid mean. So when Allah mentioned this, waqulu qawlan sadida, so Allah is trying to educate us, teach us, that whenever you are speaking, make sure you are not being dishonest with someone. You are not trying to deceive someone. You are not trying to lie to someone. You are not hurting them. You are not hurting their feelings. You are not breaking their heart. And that is something qawlan sadida, straightforward. And even, my brothers and sisters, sometimes when people ask us a favor or to do something for them, so rather than saying no, we try to make false promises, or we say, well, okay, no problem, I will do that. And even at that time, we know we are not going to do that, or we don't even care what he or she is asking for, you know. But just because you have a close relationship with that individual, or maybe he or she is part of your family, you just don't want to say no, right? So rather than saying no, you know, making false promises, you are lying to them, you are deceiving them. So hence the reason it is better to say no than having people in doubts. That is also the definition of qawlan sadida, straightforward, to the point, yes or no. We make dua that Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to always utter words which are beneficial not only for ourselves but for others as well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.